students, how are you all? I think all of you are well in your home. In the last class we had discussed thoroughly about the summer solstice and winter solstice. Let us start our class with the differences between them, that is the summer solstice and winter solstice. Let us start. Summer solstice occurs on 21st June in the northern hemisphere. Winter solstice occurs on 22nd December in the northern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere experiences more heat and light of the sun on 21st June. The northern hemisphere experiences less heat and light of the sun on 22nd December. It is summer in the northern hemisphere on 21st June. It is winter in the northern hemisphere on 22nd December. Days are longer and nights are shorter in the northern hemisphere on 21st June. Days are shorter, nights are longer in the northern hemisphere on 22nd December. In the same way, on 21st June, winter solstice occurs in the southern hemisphere. On 22nd December, summer solstice occurs in the southern hemisphere. On 21st June, days are shorter and nights are longer in the southern hemisphere. On 22nd December, days are longer and nights are shorter in the southern hemisphere. On 21st June, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. On 22nd December, it is summer in the southern hemisphere. On 21st June, nights are longer and days are shorter in the southern hemisphere. On 22nd December, days are longer and nights are shorter in the southern hemisphere. I think you have understood the differences between summer solstice and winter solstice. So let us go to the next. What is an equinox? An equinox is a position of the earth in the year when day time and night time are exactly the same. That is 12 hours each. Equinoxes occur twice a year, usually on March 21st and September 23rd, when the earth is tilted neither towards nor away from the sun. In this position of the earth on 21st March and 23rd September, both the hemispheres, north and south, experience equal days and nights. See the picture, read the lines. I think you will understand. Next, let us discuss about another topic. What are spring and autumn equinoxes? They are related to the previous topic, that is, what is an equinox? On 21st March and 23rd September, neither of the hemispheres is tilted towards the sun. So the whole earth experiences equal days and nights. The earth is neither very hot nor very cold. The north hemisphere experiences spring on 21st March and autumn on 23rd September. Exactly opposite happens in the southern hemisphere. Here it is spring on September 23rd and autumn on March 21st. These positions are called spring and autumn equinoxes respectively. See the picture and try to understand the lines above. Let us discuss about another question. How are seasons caused? As you know that the earth revolves around the sun on an elliptical orbit and its axis is inclined in the east direction on its orbit by 23.5 degrees. The revolution of the earth and inclination of the earth's axis in a fixed direction causes seasons. Seasons change with the change in the position of the earth around the sun. There are mainly 5 seasons we feel in a year. They are summer, monsoon, that is rainy, autumn, winter and spring. Next, let us discuss another question. Why do the poles experience about 6 months day and 6 months night? The answer is the poles experience about 6 months of day and 6 months of night because of the tilt of the earth on its axis. Because of this tilt, each pole is tilted towards and away from the sun for about 6 months each. When the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, it experiences continuous daylight for 6 months, and the South Pole experiences continuous night for 6 months. Oppositely, when the South Pole is tilted towards the sun, it experiences continuous daylight for 6 months, and the North Pole experiences continuous night for 6 months. Next, as we discussed all the points or all the topics of this lesson, I am requesting each and every student to go through the lesson very nicely in your home and try to understand the lines following the videos. Today I am going to give some 4 questions as homework. Try to write the answers. How days and nights occur on the earth? First question. Second, name the main seasons of a year. Third, why do the northern hemisphere experience summer and winter solstice in different times than that of the southern hemisphere? Last but not the least, in your textbook, the exercises are there. Do the exercise 2 and 3 of the chapter, Motions of the Earth, of your geography textbook. So up to this, in the next class, we will start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is Major Domains of the Earth. So we will meet again in the next class with a new lesson. So up to this, so Have a safe life in your home. Read the chapter very nicely and try to write all the points as well as question answers in your geography copy. So up to this, goodbye students.